We can do question 18. Question 18 says that a straight line P whose equation is y plus 3 equals to 3x, and line Q whose equation is 2y plus x equals to 8. So part A, complete the table in Roman 1 and 2 below. So in completing the table, especially for y plus 3 equals to 3x, what we do, for the corresponding value of y, you substitute in the equation and get the corresponding value of x, which for my case, I've worked them out, so I can simply complete fill in the table. So when y is negative 3, x equals to 0, so I will write here 0. I will write here 0. When x is 1, y is 0, so I will put in there 0. And also when x equals to 2, y is equals to 3, so I will write there 3. The second part for 2y plus x equals to 8, when x is 0, y is equals to 4. When when y is 2, x equals to 4. And when x equals to 3, y is equals to 2.5. So we have 2.5. So once we have these values for both the equations, we can plot. Let me start with for y plus 3 equals to 3x. So if you look at the table, we have negative values of x and y, but our grade, we are only limited to the positive and negative values of x and y. So that means in table 1, we'll use two values. That is when x is 1 and also when x is 2. So when x is 1, y is 0, so we'll plot. And also when x is 2, y is 3. So when x is 2, y is 3. So when x is 2, y is 3. Then we can join. So this one, we can write the line y plus 3 equals to 3x. We can also plot for the line to y plus x equals to 8. When x is 0, y is equals to 4, so 0, 4. When x is 4, y is equals to 2, so we'll have this. And when x is 3, y is equals to 2.5, so when x is 3, y is 2.5. So 2.5 we'll have here. So once we have 3 points, what we can do, we can as well plot. So we can join by a straight line. So this is what we'll have. That is our straight line. Let me repeat it a bit. So this one, we can draw the line. So we can name the line to y plus x equals to 8. So that is what we're supposed to have. Now, the second part of part C, use the graph to solve the simultaneous equation. So The first part is we go back to our graph and identify the point of intersection. So these two intersect at x is 2 and x is 3. So we'll have the point of intersection, we join it to the y-axis, and also we can join it to the x-axis. So that means when the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Then part D, Roman 1, y-intercept of line Q. So we know that at y-intercept, something we need to remember, at y-intercept, x equals to 0, or in other parts, or in other terms, y-intercept is the line at which that, not the line actually, but the point at which that straight line cuts the y-axis. So it cuts the y-axis at 4. So we'll have y-intercept is equals to 4. And also what we can have, x-intercept, something we also need to know that we also need to remember, at x-intercept, what is 0? Y is equals to 0. And what is that x-intercept? It is the point at which the straight line cuts the x-axis. So going back to our graph, this straight line cuts the x-axis at 8. So it cuts the x-axis at 8. So that is what we need to indicate. So x-intercept is equals to 8. And that is enough for today. What I want you to know is that believe in yourself, that maths is easy.